What is up, guys? Today I'm gonna be showing you how you can connect CJ Dropshipping to Etsy. So if someone buys from you on Etsy, CJ will take care of everything and you will send the item to the customer automatically. And I'm gonna be showing you guys exactly how you can connect this, and I'm gonna be showing you everything you need to know about how you can connect CJ to Etsy. Now the first thing you need to do, guys, you wanna search for CJ Dropshipping, of course, and create an account there. I'm going to do that right now. Now you want to click on register in the top right, and after that, guys, you can then select I'm going to create an account using Google. So I'm going to click on Google, and I'm going to, now I have successfully created CJ account. Now the first thing you need to do, guys, is to connect your CJ to Etsy account. Okay, as you can see, I just created this a new Etsy account so that I can show you guys how you can get sales, stuff like that. Now this is a new Etsy account, and I've listed like three items. Now you want to go, like I said, to CJ, and you want to connect CJ to eBay. Now in the top left it says here authorization. Click on it and click on Etsy. Okay, of course you can connect CJ to multiple e-commerce websites like Shopify, eBay, like a lot of e-commerce websites. Now you want to click on add store, and here you will have to connect your Etsy. Okay, now it as you can see, it says here authorization success because I already connected my Etsy to this CJ Dropshipping account. Now for you will have to scroll down, and you want to click on grant access because Etsy will ask you if you want to give access to CJ to see your address, to ship the items, stuff like that. You want to click on grant access at the bottom. Now after it says here authorization success, that means you have successfully linked or connected your Etsy to CJ. Okay, the first thing you need to do, guys, is to list products. You want to scroll down and click list now. Okay, and here if you scroll down, guys, you will find the items that you can list on your Etsy shop. Okay, now I'm just going to find, for example, a random item here. Make sure the item is handmade. Okay, make sure the item is handmade, and don't list anything like electronic stuff like this. Like, make sure you list only handmade. Don't list big brands like iPhone, stuff like that. Okay, now you want to find a handmade product that looks like it's handmade. For example, this one. Okay, this one or this one, something that someone, like anyone, can create. Okay, not something like, for example, like AirPods, because you can't create AirPods at home. So if you list something that is not handmade on Etsy, if you don't know that, your account will get banned 100%. So only list items that are handmade. For example, this one, let me check this one. It says here price. Okay, let me check. Yeah, this one looks like it's handmade. Now what you need to do, guys, you want to find a product that you want to list. But before you list the product, I would suggest going to Etsy and searching for your competitors. Okay, search for your competitors and see what they are selling and find that exact item on CJ. Okay, now after you find the item, you want to scroll down and click on sale. Okay, list, and here where it says ship from, make sure you select here your Etsy shop here, and where it says tags, you just want to enter here the tags. For example, test, click this plus, and after that, guys, you want to scroll down a little bit, and here it says here your price. By the way, this is the total dropshipping cost. This is how much Etsy will take from the sale. Now, and this is how much money you are going to charge for anyone who is going to buy the item from you on Etsy. Now I would charge, for example, $10 or $9.99. Now after that, guys, after you select the amount, if you have a product with different variations, you have to enter the price for each one here. As you can see, price change, as you can see, and then you want to click OK. Now after that, guys, you want to scroll down and click on list it now. Okay, now after, guys, you list this product, it will appear on your Etsy shop. As you can see, listed successfully. The product has been listed to your store successfully. Now if you go to your store, you will find that product here. Okay, you will find that product, and then you just want to wait 60 seconds, and you will find that exact product here. Now after someone buys that product, you will be able to, like, CG will take care of everything. You will ship the item to the customer. And if you have, guys, if you have any questions about this, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. Make sure you click the video in the screen so that you can make this easier. Okay, I made another video about this topic. Make sure you drop a like and watch the video in the screen about how you can start on Etsy using CJ Dropshipping. See you guys in the next video.